Ano nga ba ang nangyayari sa likod ng mga saradong pintuan? Noong bata pa tayo, alam natin na ang pagngiti ay nagpapahiwatig sa atin ng kasiyahan. But as we grow older, some people use smiles to hide their pain. Paano nga ba malalaman kung ang pagngiti ng ating kaibigan, kapamilya ay tanda ng kanilang kasiyahan? O baka naman, ginagamit lang nila itong maskara. Yo, what's up? This is Miko Dominguez, your millennial entrepreneur, and welcome to today's vlog where we talk about buhay, bahay, at negosyo. For today's episode, let's talk about the most difficult enemy to fight, our mind. What happens when we become depressed? How do we identify signs of depression in our loved ones, and how can we help them? Today's episode draws its story from Matthew Perry, who recently passed away. Sino nga ba si Matthew Perry? Siya ang gumanap sa role na Chandler Bing sa sikat na TV series na Friends.
I'm not great at the advice. Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment?
Sa kanyang memoir, isinulat niya ang kanyang problem with drug addiction to the point na ang kanyang colon ay pumutok sa resulta ng pag-aabuso ng opioids. Dahil sa kanyang pinagdaanang mga pagsubok sa rehab at recovery, eventually it affected his mental health. Naging kalaban din niya ang depression. At sadly, noong October 28, Matthew Perry was found dead because of apparent drowning. Until now, hindi pa rin naihahayag ang sanhi ng kanyang kamatayan. Maraming speculations ang lumalabas dahil sa kanyang mga Instagram posts. Naniniwala ang kanyang fans na ang Matman IG post niya were already a cry for help. Pero alamin nga natin, what is depression? Ang depression ay isang mental disorder kung saan ang isang tao ay nakakaramdam ng labis na lungkot o pagkawala ng self-worth. A person who is depressed often finds it difficult to do a normal daily routine. Akala ng iba sila ay tamad lang o walang pakialam. Ang totoo ay nahihirapan silang i-express yung sarili nila kasi sila mismo ay nahihirapang unawain ang kanilang mga nararamdaman. Ngayon, alamin natin, ano ba ang ilang symptoms of depression? According to research, to the untrained eye, mahirap alamin if ang isang tao ay depressed o hindi. Pero, malalaman mo ito if patuloy mong oobserbahan ang kasama mo who you feel is undergoing depression. Ito ang mga primary symptoms. A feeling of frequent sadness. Yung araw-araw nalulungkot. Nawawalan na ng gana sa mga gawain na noon ay nagpapasaya sa kanya. Feeling of worthlessness. Yung pakiramdam niya, wala nang purpose yung life niya. Recurrent thoughts of death. Ito ay ilan lamang sa mga symptoms ng depression. Kung napapansin mo na ang kaibigan mo ay nakararanas ito, mainam na lumapit sa psychologist or guidance counselor. Ngayon, gusto mo bang makatulong sa kaibigan o kapamilya mo na nakararanas ng tinatawag na depression? Here's how to help a person who is undergoing depression. According to some, mas mahirap to be the supporter of someone who is depressed than to be the actual depressed person. I'm not sure if all will agree. But in another perspective, mas mahirap daw because to be with someone who is depressed means you have to be very careful to say or do anything that can trigger them. A safe way to get them to open up is to ask them what's on their mind o kung may gusto ba silang pag-usapan. Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit nahihirapan humingi ng tulong ang mga taong may depression ay hindi sila binibigyan ng chance to speak at their own pace. It's either pinipilit sila or ginajudge agad katulad ng
Puro ka na lang problema. Ayan ka na naman. Sabihin mo na lang kasi.
And according to research, here's another tip. Kapag nag-open sa atin, huwag tayong mag-sermon agad. Madalas, ang gusto nila ay yung may nakikinig sa kanila without making them feel like they're a burden. Tanungin mo muna ang iyong kaibigan o kamag-anak if ready na siya for advice or listening mode lang. At ito pa ang isang tip. One of the best things that you can do to help a person with depression is to be a part of their journey to recovery. As your friend or loved one if they're open to trying therapy. Kung willing sila, help them book an appointment and cheer them up throughout the therapy. At ito ay madalas na hindi sinasabi. Take care. of yourself. If you're a friend or a family member of someone who has depression, it will affect you. Remember, you cannot give what you don't have. Alagaan ang sarili para makatulong ka sa iba. Totoo ang sinasabi nilang, you never know what happens behind closed doors. Just like we will never know what a smile hides. Depression is real, but so is recovery. Dahil sa mental health awareness, mas alam na ng mga tao na hindi madaling maging supporter of a person with depression. There are moments na pati ikaw, tayo, maiiyak and malulungkot na lang din. But please don't give up on them. You are the light they need para malampasan ang pinagdadaanan nilang ito. So that is it for me. Kung nakatulong sa'yo itong video na ito, please don't forget to follow our page, leave a comment down below, and hit that like and share button for more buhay, bahay, and negosyo contents. Again, this is Migo Dominguez, your millennial entrepreneur, sharing you good vibes, positive thoughts, and inspiration moments. Signing out. See you soon.